Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Monday.com on your PC. If you're looking to manage your projects and team workflows more efficiently right from your desktop, having the Monday.com app installed makes everything faster and more accessible. Let's walk through the download and installation process step by step. First, open your web browser on your PC. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, you'll need to navigate to the right page to get the desktop app. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type Monday.com desktop app and press enter. This search will help you find the official download page directly from Monday's support site. From the search results that appear, look for the one titled Monday.com's desktop app that comes from support.monday.com. Click on this result to open the official support article. This is the safest place to download the app, ensuring you're getting the legitimate version directly from Monday. Once you're on that support page, scroll down through the article until you see a section that contains download links for both macOS and Windows. You'll notice there are different versions available depending on your operating system. Since you're on a PC, you'll want to click the link labeled Desktop App for Windows. This will start downloading the installer file directly to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so just let it complete. Now that the download is finished, it's time to install the app. Click on the downloaded installer file, which should be named something similar to Monday Win Latest. You can find this either in your browser's downloads bar at the bottom of the screen or by opening your downloads folder. Clicking this file will launch the installation wizard. The setup screen will appear and may ask you to choose between Only for Me or anyone who uses this computer. Select whichever option fits your needs, then click Install. This choice determines whether the app will be available just for your user account or for all users on the PC. You'll see a progress bar appear on your screen as the installation proceeds. Just wait for this to complete until you see a message saying completing Monday setup. The installation typically takes just a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, make sure the checkbox that says Run Monday is selected, then click Finish. This will close the installer and automatically launch the Monday.com app for the first time. Now you'll be taken to the login screen where you can access your existing Monday.com account. You have two options here. You can either log in with your existing Monday account credentials, or you can click Google to log in using your Google account if that's how you've set up your Monday account. If you choose to log in with Google, type your Google account email in the email field and click Next. On the following screen, enter your password and click Next again. The app will verify your credentials and log you in. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and logged into Monday.com on your PC. You now have direct desktop access to all your boards, projects, and team workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.